we would find a stamen that's ready, like that, and we would put pollen on it. The pollen will stick to that, and then what happens is the pollen will germinate on top of the style, and it will grow down. Let me open this flower so you can see. It will grow right down to the ovaries there, and then they would match up, and the seed that we get there will be from the one and the other. We will wait for that seed, because the seed will then develop. All of this will die off, and the seed will develop like that. Can you see that? Seed will start developing like that, and inside we have little rows of seeds. Look how cool that is. And then those seeds, those are still not developed yet. But once they're fully developed, we will pick that seed. I'll pick another one and show you. Like that. You see, this is closer, but it's also still not ready. Can you see they get bigger and bigger? And when they're ready, this will start breaking open, and it'll be black and dry. And those are the seeds we can then use to sow. And we'll keep record of this parent with the pollen parent. And then from there onwards, we will then get little babies that will have a mixture of two interesting plants. And those little babies can then maybe give us a new cultivar. And that new cultivar might become world famous. We don't know. This is one season's aloe babies. Each one of these is a different combination. And we've now gone over to codes, because if you look at that is all abbreviated, but the name record keeping of the pedigree is becoming almost ridiculous now. But that is from years and years and years of just breeding. So you can see of this, all of this that you see, and there's more on the floor behind you. This is all promise, because you never know what you're going to get out of these. And some of these plants are going to blow our minds, because they've been carefully selected.